Quitting smoking is tough for a lot of people. Even reducing the amount that you smoke is very, very difficult. So there are methods and medications to stop smoking, and researchers are finding that CBD might help as well. So there are a number of quit smoking prescription medications that are available. They are technically categorized as nicotine replacement therapies or medicines. These include things that we all know about: patches, gum, nasal sprays, lozenges, oral inhalers, and medications including Chantix and Wellbutrin, which is an older antidepressant. Okay. Side effects, though, unfortunately, all medications come with some types of side effects: mild, moderate, or severe. Weight gain or loss. How many times has a person you know who's a smoker said the following: if I stop smoking, I'm going to gain weight? And that's a real fear, and I get it. So side effects: weight gain, weight loss, fatigue, nausea, constipation, headache. Here's an interesting one: strange dreams on some of these medications and treatments. And changes in taste can occur. So the bottom line here is, yes, all of these are available, but we're finding that CBD might help. Do some research. Google CBD and nicotine addiction.